Comment down below if you remember where I hit them, because I do. First, let's look for the Cheez-Its. I know I put them by the snacks somewhere. By the snacks. I found it. Right here. Time to find this Squishmallow. I know I put it around this. Do you guys see it? I found it. Squishmallow. Now my peeps. In this box. Oh, in my trick-or-treating basket. My favorite. Okay. Oh my. No. Sorry. Let's get my binder out. You see how full this thing is? It's like a real binder. Oh, my nurse came flying out. Nerds. I forgot my pumpkin in the last episode, but I found another full. Snuck it in when I was hiding the peeps. Pencil. I'm going to show you like a series how I'll eat them, sleep with them, character, write with them, and everything, and do with them. Oh. Okay. Let's start off with the bookmark between the center of the book. That's amazing. What's up, done making this video? Done reading that. Between the bookmark. So my phone. Hi y'all, welcome back to another YouTube channel. I'm going to be filming, doing stuff with my squishies like I am right now. Oh, the beach reminds me of the beach. This reminds me of South Padre Island in Texas. This reminds me of Halloween ice cream. I'm going to tell you what the stickers remind me of. Dad reminds me of my two dads. BFF reminds me of me. Kimberly. Kaya. I like to call her Kim, so that's why there's Kim right there and Kaya. Basil, my brother. Mom, my mom. Halloween. Reminds me of Halloween. Okay, what do with a pencil? Kim. Kaya. Bentley. All together. BFF. That's what it says on here. Pencil. I'm saving this one for last. Character. Roblox. Hi Tinley. Hi Kaya. Hi Kimberly. Hi vlog. Ooh, a sucker. Brother scream. I don't see anything. Jesus. Oh, that tastes like a pickle. Ah, it tastes like a normal cheese. A pumpkin? Carve. That's what I did today. Squishmallow. Or that's why they're called Squishmallow. Or my brother will do this. Nerd. Cereal. Pour in a bowl. Put some nerds on top. love it so much. Guess which one is my second favorite? Because you guys already know this is my first favorite. But guess which one is my second, which means second favorite? Nerds, Squishmallow, Character, Cheez-Its Original, Pencil, Pumpkin, Bookmark, Sticker, 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 Phone, Secretary. If you guys guessed phone, you're wrong. This, wrong. 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 First favorite? Right. If you guys guessed Nerds, you were right. It's to go on my cereal, okay? They're so cute all together. I love them. Peas, punch, cup of crunch. Blah, 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 blah. So, you're helping me organize them back up together. So, I really don't care about half the things I make. Bookmark. Sweet, loving bookmark. You want to make it very quiet once you put it in. Excuse me. Okay. Phone. This is what your last goodbye is. I love you. That's where I teach my phone when I had to go to school. Stickers. Squishy Beach. Let's put you up right there. Names. Goodbye. You love you. See you probably in half a minute. I love you. Happy Halloween. You're coming in almost 3 days. I love you. 4 days. Pencil. I don't care about you. Okay. I grabbed it. I'm putting squishies in last though. Creepy Halloween ice cream. Goodbye, I don't care about creepy. Pumpkin, you go on this side. Nerds, you're going where the cereal goes. You go on the left side. You go on the right side. You go on the right side. Okay. Goodbye, Binder. Love you. Time to hide them back up for this season. I'm gonna go put this where it belongs. It's time for the Cheez-Its. This one I'm doing for you. Because I want to. I love you. I might sleep with you. Oh boy. nerds. Topping on top. Nobody can see my brushes. Trick or treat. You gave me some cereal. Thank you.